Hello kids, this is a very special day. Why? Because today, I'm going to give you directions to my house. So here goes. Wherever you may be, take 5 steps to your left and about 100 steps to your front. Or suppose I give you directions like, okay, to reach my house, go 1 kilometer to the west of where you are, and then from there, go 5 kilometers to the north of where you are, and you'll reach my house. Does this seem logical to you? Do you think that following these directions, you will be able to reach me? What do you think? Well, there's something really missing here. Can you guess what? If you follow these directions, no matter where you are, someone might be sitting in Canada, somebody might be sitting in Australia, somebody might be in Baliganj in Kolkata, and somebody might be in Mumbai. Do you think by going 1 kilometer to the left of whatever location you are in, and by going 5 kilometers towards the north of wherever location you are in, you will reach me? Certainly not. Why? Because all of you are in different places. So the 1 kilometer left and the 5 kilometer north does not lead you all to the same place. So what then do we need? We need directions which all of you can understand, no matter where you are in this world, some common standard set of directions which will lead to me, right? And what is missing here is a frame of reference. What do I mean by the frame of reference? Well, it means that we have a common starting point. But you will say, how can I have a common starting point? Somebody you said is in Canada, somebody you said is in Mumbai. How can we have a common starting point? Well, no matter where you are, if I say that all of you have to start from the north gate of, say, a landmark monument like Victoria Memorial, and I give you directions from there, don't you think you will reach me? For example, suppose I say, stand at the north gate of Victoria Memorial, go 1 kilometers to the west, and 10 kilometers to the north after that, and you will reach me. Isn't there a very good chance of you reaching my home? There is. Why? Because now all of you are starting from north gate of Victoria Memorial. You see where this is going? So what I'm trying to establish here is that all of us need to learn a common language, a language for which all of us can understand and which mean the same thing to everybody. And this language is the frame of reference. Just like I said, North Gate of Victoria Memorial, we need to agree on a certain set of mathematical frame of references which all of us understand and which all of us can work with. You might think, okay, this is something totally new, but it's actually not. When you were in class 5 or 6, I think you first came across this grid that is called latitudes and longitudes. Okay? And that grid is very similar to what we are going to do today. How come? We will learn how to set up a frame of references using what we call the coordinate axis. Okay? Let us see how we do that. So that no matter where you are in the world, you reach the same place. Okay? So coordinate axis is the frame of reference, and I have given you a little bit of background on why we need this. There is another place where this is used pretty widely, and you are using it without maybe even being aware that you are using it. If you have a smartphone where you have Google Maps installed, how do you think it is giving you the directions to the place where you want to go? ultimately, this entire world is mapped using the frame of reference that we will learn just now, and Google Maps is actually using that same frame of reference. So, unknowingly, you are already using the concepts that we shall learn today. Okay, let us see how we do that. We'll learn coordinate axis right now.